Hi, so in this lesson we are talking about why we need exponents and where they come into play. So we have two problems. In our first one, we are given 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 being multiplied together 4 times. And without exponents, we can multiply this together and figure out our solution, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, right? So 16 is our answer for 2 being multiplied together 4 times. Now, when we get into more complicated math problems, we may have a number being multiplied together 30 times, and we don't want to have to do this every time. So this is where exponents come into play. So we have our 2 being multiplied together 4 times. Our exponent is how many times that number is being multiplied together. And it has to be the same number. So if this was like 2 times 3 times 2 times 2, we couldn't combine all of that because the 3 can't be included with the 2. So since all of these are 2, they're being multiplied together 4 times. So our base is the number we are multiplying together, which is 2, and how many times is 4. So base and exponent. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as writing 2 to the 4th. And it also becomes easier when you're using a calculator. Instead of typing in all of those 2's, you can just simply type into your calculator 2 to the 4th, and if you do that, it'll give you an answer of 16, which matches our answer up here. So that is kind of why we use exponents. It's a way of simplifying rather than writing out a bunch of numbers or variables. So let's take a look at problem 2. Now we're reversed. We have our exponent form, which is x to the 4th, and now we're going to kind of see what that's telling us. So remember, this is our base, and this is our exponent. So over here, our base was telling us what? Well, the number that was being multiplied together. So in this case, it's x. And our exponent was telling us how many times it was being multiplied together. And it's 4, so we have x times x times x times x, right? So we have 4 x's being multiplied together, which is the same as writing x to the 4th. So if you were to see all 4 of these x's, and let's say you were told to simplify it, this would be how you simplify it, is just writing it in exponent form.